how to fix MetaTrader 5 invalid account. So I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, you want to go into the App Store and just verify that you have the most up-to-date version of MetaTrader 5. So I'm just going to search for the app itself, open up the MetaTrader 5 app here. If it says update, you want to click on update. If it says open, it means that you have the most up-to-date version. Okay, so now that we have verified that, you want to open up MetaTrader 5 here, and you want to check if your account is deactivated. So click on settings here, see if everything is working correctly with your account. If you click on here, and if everything is normal, then you can proceed to the next step. You want to verify that you are putting your account login information correctly. Just double, triple check that your password and login are correct. And the last thing that I can suggest doing is making sure that the server is also correct here. So underneath login UC server, make sure you have selected the correct server and that it matches your account login information. I hope those help. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.